If you're using lots of small amounts of different coloured yarns in your work and you don't like using plastic bobbins which get caught on each other, you can make your own butterfly bobbin. So just hang the end of the yarn over those fingers, and between those fingers start working a figure of 8 until you've got the amount of yarn that you'd like to use. And then wrap that tail through the centre and round to the front, and again, and pop it through one of those circles that you've just wrapped around to tighten. Nice and tight, and now you've got a butterfly bobbin. And if you use the end that you held with your finger and thumb, that's the end that goes in your knitting or crochet, and gradually as you work it will undo.